Welcome to Thailand, a vibrant tapestry of cultural richness, breathtaking natural beauty, and fascinating history. Imagine a place where the pulse of city life blends seamlessly with the tranquility of nature. Picture bustling markets set against serene beaches, skyscrapers towering above ancient temples, and lush jungles teeming with wildlife, all coexisting under the same sky. This is Thailand, a land that defies definition, a place that must be experienced to be truly understood. A country where tradition and modernity intertwine in an intricate dance, creating a spectacle that is at once mesmerizing and enthralling. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a curious explorer, Thailand has something to captivate your heart and ignite your adventurous spirit. So, prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey, one that will take you from the vibrant streets of Bangkok to the idyllic shores of Phuket and beyond. Join us on a journey through the land of smiles. Our journey begins in Bangkok, the bustling capital city that's a unique blend of traditional Thai culture and modernity. Bangkok, often referred to as the City of Angels, is a vibrant metropolis, an eclectic mix of old and new, where skyscrapers tower over Buddhist temples and monks walk alongside business executives. At the heart of this city is the majestic Grand Palace, a complex of buildings that has been the official residence of the kings of Siam since 1782. Its intricate architecture, shimmering with gold, is a testament to the craftsmanship of an era gone by and a sight that's sure to leave you in awe. Just across the river, standing tall against the backdrop of the city skyline, is Wat Arun, or the Temple of Dawn. With its iconic prang or spire, it's a beacon of spirituality amidst the urban sprawl. As the sun sets and the temple lights up, it's a spectacle that encapsulates the enchanting beauty of Bangkok. But Bangkok isn't just about towering structures and royal grandeur, it's also a city of waterways and floating markets. The Dam Noan Saduak floating market, for instance, is a riot of colors and flavors. Here, vendors in traditional straw hats paddle along the canals, selling everything from fresh fruits to fragrant jasmine garlands and delicious Thai street food, making it a feast for the senses. Despite its rapid modernization, Bangkok holds its traditions close. It's not uncommon to see locals offering food to monks on their morning alms rounds or lighting incense at a roadside shrine. The city's energy is infectious, its people warm and welcoming, embodying the spirit of Sanuk, or the joy of life, a cornerstone of Thai culture. Bangkok's allure lies in this harmonious coexistence of the old and the new. It's a city where the past and present intertwine, creating a dynamic tapestry that's full of life, energy, and a deep-rooted sense of culture. It's a city that thrives in its contradictions, from the serene Wats to the bustling street markets, from the traditional puppet shows to the lively nightlife. Bangkok, a city that never sleeps, is the heart of Thailand, beating with life and culture. From the bustling streets of Bangkok, we dive into the rich and flavorful world of Thai cuisine. This is a culinary adventure where every dish tells a tale of heritage, culture, and an intricate blend of flavors. We begin with the universally adored Pad Thai. This simple yet flavorful stir-fried noodle dish is a symphony of sweet, sour, and umami, served with a generous squeeze of lime and a sprinkle of crushed peanuts. Its humble street food origins are a testament to the heart of Thai cuisine, simplicity and balance. Next, we plunge into the spicy depths of Tom Yum Goong, a hot and sour shrimp soup that is nothing short of a taste explosion. With fragrant lemongrass, fiery chilies, and succulent prawns, each spoonful is a burst of Thailand's vibrant flavors. But Thai cuisine is not just about these well-known dishes. It's also about the bustling street food scenes where the magic truly happens. Here, food hawkers serve up everything from spicy somtam, a green papaya salad, to the sweet and creamy mango sticky rice, a dessert that's as delightful as it sounds. This is where one can truly taste the soul of Thailand in the variety and authenticity of its street food. And let's not forget about the local chefs, the true heroes of Thai cuisine. Their expertise, honed over generations, is what brings these dishes to life. Whether they're whipping up a batch of Pad Thai on a busy street corner or crafting a complex curry in a high-end restaurant, their skill and passion is evident in every bite. In Thailand, food is more than just sustenance. It's a celebration of culture, a testament to the country's rich history, and a reflection of the Thai people's love for harmony and balance in flavors. Each dish, each ingredient is carefully chosen and prepared to create a meal that's not just delicious, but also deeply meaningful. Each bite of Thai cuisine is a journey in itself, filled with rich flavors and a story of its own. Leaving the city behind, we venture into Thailand's breathtaking natural landscapes. Our journey takes us first to the sun-kissed beaches of Phuket. As one of Thailand's most popular destinations, Phuket offers pristine beaches lined with swaying palm trees, crystal-clear turquoise waters, and colorful marine life just waiting to be explored. Snorkeling here is not merely an activity, but an invitation to witness a mesmerizing underwater world. Next, we journey north to the mountains of Chiang Mai. Here, the landscape dramatically transforms from sandy beaches to lush green mountainsides. The verdant hills, dotted with colorful hill tribe villages, offer a spectacle of nature at its most vibrant. Trekking through these mountain trails, you can immerse yourself in the tranquility of the wilderness, listen to the melodious chirping of birds, and encounter a variety of wildlife in their natural habitat. Finally, we delve into the heart of Khao Sok National Park, one of Thailand's premier destinations for wildlife spotting. The park is a dense jungle interspersed with limestone peaks jutting out of the landscape, creating a stunning panorama that seems straight out of a fantasy world. Here, the adventurous can embark on guided jungle treks, canoe along the Sok River, or even spend a night in a floating bungalow on the serene Chiao Lan Lake. From the warm sands of Phuket's beaches, through the cool heights of Chiang Mai's mountains to the dense jungles of Khao Sok, Thailand's natural wonders are as diverse as they are captivating. Each landscape offers unique activities, from snorkeling amidst vibrant coral reefs, trekking along scenic mountain trails, to spotting exotic wildlife in lush jungles. Thailand's natural wonders offer an escape from the ordinary, a chance to immerse oneself in the raw beauty of nature. This land of diverse landscapes provides endless opportunities for adventure and exploration, making it a true paradise for nature lovers and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The spirit of Thailand truly shines in its vibrant festivals and rich traditions. Imagine being in a country where, for one day each year, everyone is involved in a grand water fight. This is Songkran, the Thai New Year's festival. A celebration that marks the end of the dry season, Songkran is a time for renewal. Water, symbolic of purification, is playfully thrown on everyone, washing away misfortunes of the past year and welcoming the rainy season with open arms. This is not merely a water fight, but a cherished tradition that brings communities together in a joyful and refreshing way. Then, as the year progresses and the full moon lights up the 12th lunar month, another enchanting event takes place. Loi Krathong, the Festival of Lights. Thai people gather around rivers, canals and lakes, releasing beautifully decorated baskets or krathongs onto the water. These floating lanterns, adorned with flowers, candles and incense sticks, are more than just pretty spectacles. They carry away sins and bad luck and make a wish for the future. It's a magical sight to behold, as thousands of lights twinkle on the water's surface, creating a shimmering reflection of the star-studded sky above. These festivals, among many others, are not merely dates on a calendar, but the heartbeat of Thai culture. They are times when families and friends gather, when old customs are honored, and when the spirit of unity and togetherness is celebrated. Most importantly, these festivals are a testament to the Thai people's love for fun and their deep-rooted sense of community. Whether it's the joyous splashing of Songkran or the serene beauty of Loi Krathong, these festivals offer a glimpse into Thailand's soul. They reveal a culture that is both deeply traditional and vibrantly contemporary, a culture that values joy, community, and spiritual renewal. Celebrating alongside the locals, one can truly understand the heart and soul of Thai culture. From the lively streets of Bangkok to the tranquil beaches and beyond, the journey through Thailand is an endless adventure. Our voyage has taken us through the heart of this vibrant nation, where tradition and modernity coexist in a dynamic harmony. We've savored the flavors of Thai cuisine, from the classic pad Thai to the spicy tom yum goong, each dish a culinary celebration of Thailand's rich heritage. We've marveled at the breathtaking diversity of Thailand's landscapes, from the pristine beaches of Phuket to the towering mountains of Chiang Mai and the lush wilderness of Khao Sok National Park. We've celebrated Thailand's spirit, immersed in the joy of Songkran, the beauty of Loy Krathong, and the deep-rooted traditions that make this nation truly unique. So come, embark on your own Thai adventure, immerse yourself in a culture steeped in warmth and beauty, experience the vibrant tapestry of life that is Thailand, experience the warmth and beauty of Thai culture on your next journey. Thailand awaits you.